Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make colorful egg feast without using the colorful egg in Heartopia game Wonder Egg Hunt event. Okay, first of all guys, you need to have the recipe. You can get the recipe from the exchange store. Okay, you need to have this colorful egg feast recipe. And if you can't make the egg guys, don't worry. You can still make this colorful egg feast without using the egg. For this colorful egg feast, actually we need 4 eggs. The first one is the original egg, and then the purple egg, green egg, and also the orange egg. But if you don't have the colorful eggs, don't worry, you can still make it using the universal ingredient like this, and you can start cooking, and you will make the colorful egg feast. Usually guys, this purple egg is hard to get because we need grape, and we can only unlock the grape seed after we reach level 7 in our gardening hobby. So maybe some of you still don't have this grape to make the purple egg. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the colorful egg feast without the colorful egg in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!